Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying firmware and phone updates because many noise issues stem from outdated software. Check AirPods firmware in settings. Next, remove and inspect the silicone tips and mesh, lint or earwax changes airflow and creates static. While you're there, clean the microphone and vent openings gently with a dry brush. Once done, tell your phone to forget the AirPods, restart the phone, then repair. This clears Bluetooth handshake errors that often produce crackling or popping noises. Now you focus on active noise cancellation settings to identify whether ANC is the culprit. Toggle between ANC, transparency, and off while listening for the noise. If it disappears with ANC off, the processing is responsible. Make sure to run the ear tip fit test. An incomplete seal causes ANC to overcompensate and produce whooshing or ringing. Once you confirm fit, fine-tune ANC levels or use transparency. Test with both quiet rooms and busy streets. Because ANC, finally, perform a factory reset on the AirPods if previous steps didn't fix the noise. This clears deep firmware faults and returns settings to default. After resetting, repair and test on a second device to determine whether the issue is the AirPods or your primary phone. If noise persists despite clean tips, correct fit, updated firmware, and testing on another device, contact Apple support or pursue a warranty replacement. Hardware faults like failing drivers or microphone assemblies produce persistent hiss or crackle and need service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.